relationship between squares and odd numbers. New formulas found and presented to you by Sayukta Revankar. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Sayukta and welcome to my channel where I write and narrate stories and fan fictions, teach mathematics and other things. Today, I'm going to teach you my newest finding, that is formulas to find squares of numbers when the previous or the next square is given. So I have two formulas that I've found it, that is x square is equals to x into 2 minus 1 and x minus 1 whole square, or x square is equals to x into 2 plus 1 minus x plus 1 whole square. What I mean is, if we have a question like the square of 25 is 625, what will be the square of 26 or 24? How will you find that without actually multiplying? It's quite simple. And I'll show it to you in a minute, but before that, let me tell you how I actually found it, the formula, or how the idea actually popped up in my mind. So you see the difference between successive square numbers are successive odd numbers. What I mean is, the squares of 4, 5, 6, 7 continuous square numbers is 16, 25, 36, and 49. Difference between them is the successive odd numbers 9, 11, 13. If you don't get what I mean, I'll tell you that's 16 minus 25 is 9, and difference between 25 and 36, 11. Difference between 36 and 49, 13. So goes for bigger numbers as well. For example, let's take 20, 21, and 22 squares. That is 400, 441, and 484. The difference between 400 and 441 is 41, and difference between 441 and 484 is 43. So now you might be thinking, so what? What's the point in that? So here's where it gets funny. For instance, let's say we were given two big numbers. Let's just say as 99 and 98. How will I know the difference between their squares? It's easy. It's always the bigger number into 2 minus 1, or the smaller number into 2 plus 1. So difference between these two will be 99 into 2, which is 198 minus 1. So it's 197. And 98 into 2 is 196 plus 1. So it's 197. Both cases gives me the same answer. Let's take another number, that is, we are given here as 107, 108. So bigger number is 108 into 2 minus 1. So 108 into 2 is 216 minus 1, which is gives us 215. So that's difference between both the squares. You can multiply the squares and try it. We'll get the same answer. And so let's go to our formula. How will the formula work? So our first formula here is to find the square of the greater number first. So we have given the equation x squared is equals to x into 2 minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole square. So today's example is, if 40 square is 1600, then find 41 square. So what is x square in this equation? The x square is 41 square. And what is x minus 1 whole square? That is x is 41 minus 1, that's 40 square, which is already given to us in the question, that's 1600. So let's substitute the values. So the formula will be 41 square is equals to 41 into 2 minus 1 plus 41 minus 1 square. So 41 into 2 is 82 minus 1, and 41 minus 1 whole square is already given to us, that is 1600. So for 82 minus 1 is 81 plus 1600, that gives us 1681. And you can multiply 41 into 41 and we get the exact same answer. If you want, let me show you. 41 into 41, 1, 4, 4, 16. So that's 1681. See, I told you. Now let's go to the second formula. Second formula is to find the previous square number. Here, the equation is x squared is equals to x into 2 plus 1 minus x plus 1 whole square. So today's second example, we have given the square of 84. So we have given the square of 85 and we are supposed to find the square of 84. So 85 square is 7225. In this equation, x square will be 84 because that's what we are finding. And the x plus 1 will be 84 plus 1 whole square. Is 85 square, which is already given as 7225. 84 square is equals to 84 into 2 plus 1 minus 84 plus 1 whole square. 84 into 2 is 168 plus 1 minus 84 plus 1 whole square is already given as 7225. So I'm going to directly write that. 84 square will be 168 plus 1, 169 minus 7225, which gives us 7056, which is the answer. And let me show you, or you can calculate it by yourself. 84 into 84, 4, 16, 33 plus 2, 67, we have 6, 5, 0, 7. Here we go. It gets the same answer. You get the same answer. You can verify it again if you like with a calculator if you think my calculations are wrong. And I hope you understood these formulas. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching. Please do leave a like, share it with friends and family, or anyone who likes to learn mathematics or likes to learn new things in general. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for future videos and bye.